Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how we can create class components and how the plugin which we install in the first video called Simple React Snippets can help us for creating this. So remember, these shortcuts are given. So if I want to create the class component, so I can use imrc for component and react import, and cc command I can use for creating a class component like this. Class component with constructor I can use ccc. So there are so many shortcuts are given. You can say shortcut for creating a snippets code, for using a snippets codes in your application. So just go there here, and now I need to, you can say, create a class component. Here in last video I created a functional component. Same code I am going to use but in a class component. So here click on component and click to create a new file as a component. Name is counter.jsx. I will use it. Now here I will say imrc, remember, and tab, so it will import component and react for me. Now I say cc and tab, so it will extend the class automatically. Remember, this class is extend and created by me by the snippets. Now we have a render method also, we have a return code also, we have everything. Just I need to copy this code which I did in last video also for making a functional component. Just to make a react fragment, increment, decrement, counter. I need this counter here, so I create a state variable and I say count and 0 here, save it, and here I need to use .state.count. remember this, because in class component we have a state object, and this state object is required to maintain the states of all the properties and update values like this. And I use button, I use span tag, I use this increment, decrement buttons. Same I use as a class, and I need to create a class here also. I did not create a class, so I need to give the name of this class. So I give here counter, and I export this also here as a counter. Remember, counter, and I export it, save it. Now I need the index, because this app I don't want now, this functional component I don't want now, I need index only. So here I just go and import counter tab automatically. We have counter, no need this I don't need, so I can make comment this. I don't need app also right now, so I can make comment this also, save it, and I can use here counter like this, and I have a same output which we have in last video. So by using this we have created a class component, remember this, and we are using this class component here as a counter. If 2 time I want to use, I can create 2 times this tag, 2 time I just do this, save it, and I can use 2 time also. You see, multiple time if required we can use this, and we will make application also in which I will use this multiple time also. So save it, and we have the component. So we created component by using class in this video. We have created component by using functions also. So there are 2 types of components in React that we have created in these 2 videos. That's all in this video. If you really learned something from this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.